Welcome back to my shed. In this video, as you've just seen, I've just been going through my scrap pile at the back of the shed and I found some old fence posts. So I've got two here that I've brought in and I'm going to cut them down, torch them and hopefully turn them into nice looking lamps. So let's get this video started and let's see what the outcome is. I hope you enjoyed the video. I think the finish is nice, and I would have liked it being a bit more orange, but I'm still experimenting with unicorn spit, so I will be doing more tests later on. But I think this worked out great. A nice orange cable to match the lamp. I went for a E14 lamp holder to match the shade I already had, but I did also do a red one at the same time and added a E27 to it this time with a nice red cable as well. I'm happy with the outcome for both of these. I will be doing a few more of these in the future, I think. I also tried a charred one, which I think came out quite well. I had to put quite a lot of Danish oil on it to keep the char solid before I could wax it, and it looks good, but I think with coloured wax it would have come out better. Using the method from one of my past videos, I put a link up the top there if you hadn't seen it, dyeing wax with unicorn spit. I definitely think it needs a lot more experiments with that method, but I do think something like that, it could make it look quite cool with all crackle black with a nice red or orange or something through it as well. But yeah, I'm happy with that. When I get a chance, I will wire a lamp holder onto that as well, and yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could also like and subscribe, that'd be great. If you could leave a comment on what you think, would also be great. And I'll see you on the next video.